Create this soft summer eye look with me using all SAOI Cosmetics brushes. To start, I'm using our S07 brush with a buildable light tan eyeshadow. I'm placing my brush just slightly above my crease and working this through my crease to add some soft definition. Then, using the flat side of my brush, I'm applying the same shade to the outer corner of my lid. Next, using our S03 brush and a golden bronze shade, I'm applying this to the inner part of my lid towards the matte brown. This brush is perfect for precisely applying shimmery eyeshadows. To create a soft blended wing, I'm using a brown eyeliner and lining halfway across my lid. I'm then lining from the outer corner up towards my crease. When that's applied, I'm using our S02 brush to apply a dark brown eyeshadow on top of that brown eyeliner. I'm then softly blending that out with a medium brown shade and a clean S03 brush for a soft smudged look. I'm quickly taking my S06 brush with whatever concealer was left on it and gently sharpening the wing. I've just popped on some half lashes and I'm lining the waterline with the same brown pencil from earlier. For the bottom lash line, I'm using the detailed tip of our S02 brush to apply brown eyeshadow between my bottom lashes. I'm then softly blending that out with our S03 brush and the medium brown shade. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.